Hi, I'm Jo Hill. Just a little video showing you 3 of my latest pieces. I hope you enjoy. Hi, just wanted to tell you about 3 new finished embroideries that are available. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about them. This one is Stag on the Chase. Just zoom in close. Yeah, and you can see it's got a border around the edge. The fabric on this embroidery has been dip dyed. Actually, after the embroidery was done, I decided I wanted a much moodier, more interesting sky and landscape setting for it. The original was first done as a design to have printed lampshades made from them, and I found the panel not long ago and thought it would look lovely as a wall hanging. So that's the first one. This is the second embroidery, also a stag, also originated as a lampshade design that was printed up into lampshades. I've actually got one made up there. So this is the original. I'll just zoom in. You can see the stitching, and again I dip dyed the panel with some lovely soft colours to add some more interest, which I'm really pleased about. This last embroidery is of a magpie. I just zoom in. I really loved doing this one. It's my most recent one. I did it a few weeks ago, and I used, say, this fabric in the background was printed, but I have hand dyed on it, and we have some more hand dyed fabric there, and this bottom one here, this fabric is also hand dyed, and the blue leaves. This fabric here, the yellowy one, it's a really interesting way of making that one. It's called paste dyeing, and you cover your fabric in flour and then let it dry and crackle it up, and then paint on your dyes, let them dry, seal it with heat, and wash the flour paste off, and it gives a gorgeous fabric. And there's my magpie. Now I've put him in a frame, but if you didn't want it in the frame, I can take the frame off, that's no problem. It's a white painted wooden frame. I hope you found that interesting. Bye.